How to add multiple photos to Snapchat story. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Pipin Bisnath, and today I'll guide you on how you can add multiple photos to your Snapchat story. Well, the process itself is pretty simple and pretty easy, so let me guide you through quick with this video. In order to add multiple photos to Snapchat story, first you can go ahead and open up Snapchat. Once you open up Snapchat, what you can do is you can simply tap on the profile icon at the top left corner, and then you can see add to my story option. You can tap on it. Once you tap on it, what you can do next is you can go ahead and select the pictures. So you can tap on it, and then you can see you'll be able to add it, right? However, you can see there is only a single picture. You can tap on the stickers icon at the right hand side, the third icon, as you can see, tap on it, and then you'll find the gallery icon there. You can tap on it, and then you can select another picture that you would like to upload. Then you can select it and you can drag it and customize it. Now this is how you can add multiple photos to your Instagram story. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe. So this is how you can add multiple photos to your Snapchat story. Hope this video helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.